How to edit AI flashcards. First of all, open the Knowt app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Then go to the library from the bottom bar of the app. Look through the list of available flashcards and select the one you want to edit. After opening the flashcard, you will be able to view its full content. Now you can edit and make changes to the flashcard as needed. Here you can update the text, fix mistakes, or enhance the information already written. If you'd like, you can also add images, audio, or extra notes to make your flashcard more engaging and effective. Once you are finished with the changes, don't forget to save the flashcard so your updates are not lost. Now you know how to edit AI flashcards easily and effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.